We're going to be discussing some of the new updates coming to MLS Touch. We're really excited about the new changes and believe you will be as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at what's new. Once you've logged into the app, you'll notice that we have a completely redesigned user interface. We have a more intuitive 7-pack design that is vibrant and will provide a sleeker home experience. At the bottom, you'll notice that the Messages tab has been replaced by the Find Members tab. Don't worry, you can still access your messages from the home page. You'll just click on the envelope icon, which is at the top of the page right next to your picture. Another new feature is parcel dimensions. Previously, you were able to zoom in on the map and check out the parcel boundaries. Now, if you click on those parcel boundaries, you will get the dimensions of that parcel property. Another new feature comes in the advanced search. Previously, when searching in school districts, you had to scroll through all of the different school districts there were. We now have a search bar where you can type in the district that you're looking for, and it will narrow the fields down so you don't have to scroll through all of the different school districts within that search. Speaking of the member search, when you go into the member search now and click on an agent, you do have the ability of viewing their office details from the app. So check out the new MLS Touch app and let us know what you think.